Anthony.
Mike, why aren't you in there?
Because I really
Come on, Mike.
big there.
You're the one pushing this for it now.
Mike, you play. Mom, you.
No, I got the drum.
Anthony.
Mom, you. Mike, you play the drums.
Okay.
I mean this.
Okay, Devin.
Don't laugh at it. Don't laugh at it, Zeke.
You see some ducks?
I'm sure there's a better way to make this clear, but I don't know how.
Jimmy, you gotta
Watch
do it
the
louder.
chorus.
Just play loud.
Oh, okay.
Anthony, if you want to be, you gotta go there.
Hey,
Okay?
Jim,
come on, Anthony.
Jim.
This is
Even
serious.
get up here once in a while.
You guys, I'm gonna
Jump
turn it
down.
off because I'm gonna die.
Shut up! What are you doing?
Well, I thought they were gonna have a rerun.
Shut it off.
Okay,
Are
go.
we ready?
No, just
Go.
wait. You're not ready yet.
They're ready.
Anthony,
We're gonna try practice here. Go.
I'm waiting.
Well, you need to
Anthony,
line
just
because
hold
the
it.
light. We need all the light we can get. Oh,
Go
turn
in the
that
middle,
light on.
Anthony.
Turn that light
Daddy,
on.
say
Mom.
1, 2, 3, go.
Turn that other light on, Mike. Just wait, Debbie. Don't turn it on yet.
It's on, Mike. Be quiet.
Yeah.
Maybe we should do a rehearsal.
This is a rehearsal.
Rehearsal. Go.
Okay, rehearsal. Shut it off, Deb.
No, she's fine.
I'm rehearsing.
You can always redo it.
Let's go.
Okay.
How do you start it?
Well, should we let Anthony? Okay, is he flow? Come on, you go.
Yeah, I was riding on the boat, I wasn't all alone. I had my kid in my hand, we were going on. A pie in the hand, a big smile